Welcome to the Sunny Infotech channel. So in this video, we will discuss how we can create the Azure app service. Create the Azure web service. We need to go onto the portal.azure.com. So we have opened this portal. Now we will click into the app service. We can search Azure app service from this search box, or we can click from the Azure services option. Now we can click into the create. Okay, so in this option, we need to select the subscription, whatever subscription we have taken from this Azure portal. Okay, after that, we need to create the resource group. So we can create a new resource group from this option, or we can select the existing resource group as well if you are having. So I am having one resource group, React group, so I am just selecting it. Okay, now we need to give the web service name. So we can give any good name by which we can identify our web service. We can give React test application. Okay, so the name of this Azure web service is React test application dot azure dot websites dot net. Okay, now we need to take further option. So we can select. We will publish code into the this application, or we can use the Docker image. So on that time we will select the container. So now, but in this case we will select only code. So we are selecting the code. Now we need to select the runtime stack. Okay, so we can select Node 20 LTS. Now we will select the operating system. So we will click onto the Windows option. Okay. So the region will auto populate after clicking the Windows option. Okay. So region and Windows plan has been auto pre-populate after selecting the Windows option. Okay. So we will leave default option as it is. Now we will click into the review and create option. Now again we need to click into the React into the create option. So we can see that deployment has been initialized and it is in progress state. So it will take some time. So now deployment is in progress. We can see here deployment, it is running. Okay, so it will take some time. So after that we will see the go to resource button here. Okay, now it is still running. So let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Now deployment has been succeeded. Now we can see the go to resource button as I told you. So we can click onto the go to resource button. So we can see that we have created the React test application web service. We can see the subscription ID of that web service. So it is the subscription ID, and we can see the default domain URL. So it is the React test application, whatever we have created during the creation of Azure Web Service. So we can select this domain and we can open it into the browser. Okay, so we can see that it is the default Azure page. So we have created the Azure Web Service. Okay, so now in this web service, in this app service, we can deploy the source code in any technologies. Okay, so whatever landing page we are having on that source code, so that landing page will be displayed in place of default Azure app service page. Okay, so thanks all of you to watch this video, and please subscribe this channel if you are new on this channel, by which I can motivate to bring new technical videos. Okay, thank you.